All right, so I just got back from Tahoe. It's been about a week since I got back. We had an amazing time. Then came back and it was off to the races. We've been putting deals together. I have to go down to the city and talk to them about a couple of projects this morning. So we're gonna go stroll on over there. Let's go, and along the way, we'll look at some of the recent projects, things that are happening in downtown Merced. So let's go. All right, so I'm back at my office. Was stopping by to talk to the city about a couple of projects. One was an annexation, another was a development project. Unfortunately, the city planner wasn't there, so timing wasn't right. But I am going to follow up with him on the phone after the fact. And then for the planning project, I did get a copy of the fee schedule for Merced. So if you want to develop property, there's fees that you have to pay for permits. You can see there's a actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. Lots of fees. And that's one of the challenges that developers have today. I talked to an investor, a couple different developers earlier about a project. And one of their objections, they weren't interested in the project that I was talking to them about, mostly because of the development fees and the cost of labor and the cost of materials. But a big detractor is the permit fees. So I don't really know how to get around that or what the city's doing to help make it more affordable for contractors to build buildings. I do know right now there's not a lot of, at least from a commercial standpoint, there's not a lot of commercial buildings in the pipeline. Again, permit fees being a problem that developers got to figure out. So that's it for today. What do you guys think about downtown Merced, development fees, just in general? If you have a real estate question, let me know.